I'm glad that you came. Very good, old friends. It's very nice to have the realtors around. So the idea of today presentation is going to be very brief, 10, 15 minutes, and it's to show what you can do with the new reports. So we have been using AI. It took us like 1 year, almost 1 year and a half now, to get the app developed and working well during the inspections. So when we were doing the inspections, the inspector was taking pictures and making voice notes, and I built the report for us, which has been awesome because we have been more effective during the inspections, spending less time with data entry, and we can focus more on the inspection. And at the end of the inspection, we have everything ready to show to the customer, go through the summary, and answer the questions. And we can actually give them the PDF of the summary right there at the end of the inspection. Also, what we're doing now, it's the inspectors, they come back to finalize 4-point wind mitigation, WGO, and other forms. And we are sending reports same day, which customers love it. So the flow of the information is still the same. We send the reports to the scheduling system. We send an email with the PDF to the agent and the buyer. Everything remains the same, but we are adding another option is to receive a link. There's a dynamic report, and I'm going to show you. So the inspector is sending this link, and if you click, you're going to get to the inspection page. You still can go here on the left side. Let me move my screen here a little bit. You can still move here on the left side, download the PDF, download the summary. If you download the PDF, it's exactly the same PDF.
Or 6 others.
Let me mute people. Give me just a second. Okay, I'm gonna mute everybody so to avoid any noise. So is still you can you have access to the same PDF. You also can see the summary, the same thing, but you also have the alternative to use that dynamic report. So let me show you how that works. The dynamic report here on the left side, it shows you the items for every component, every element. So you see that roof has 1, 2, 3 observations, and those are in yellow. So we have these now color coded: satisfactory, fair, and poor. Poor are the things that are broken, they show in red. Fair are the things that are functional right now, but can trigger maintenance in the future, something that is approaching end of life, any safety concern involved, but it's working, but it's gonna require attention. That's fair. And satisfactory, they're functional at the time of the inspection. They are green. So we have those three, the same rating as before, but we have color coded and shows here on the left side. So if you scroll, you can see what has comments. Like the indoor handle has several comments. The outdoor unit has several comments. This one, for example, has comments and they're red, something they're poor. And if you click here, the report jumps and shows exactly what it is. So it gets very easy to navigate through the inspection report. Another thing that you can do also here on the top, you can click directly on the poor and it's going to jump to show you what are the things that are broken and need attention right now. So let me show you. Poor, that's the one. And then on the bottom, you see this navigation bar. This is the first one of two because there is moisture intrusion in the fascia. And if you click here, it's going to show you the next one. There is a moisture intrusion around the patio door. If you click back to the top, goes back to the top, and you can navigate again. You can use that option here just below the prices. Guide me to the most expensive. So that's really nice. You click here, you go to the most expensive item. The most expensive item is the roof. There are several areas that require sealing. So we are recommending to reseal and redo the entire roof in this case, because the approaching end of life. And the next one is the issues with the moisture intrusion around the patio door. Probably they have to reseal and repair the entire door. And then the next one are those walls, and you can keep navigating, and it keeps going from the highest value to the lowest value. And quickly you can see what's going to cost. Guide me to the summary findings. You have the entire report. You can go item by item and just see what the inspector selected to go to the summary. So those are the summary items. You can go and, but what I really want to show you guys is how to create your own repair list. So this is all about navigation, going to the poor first, most expensive first, navigating through the summary. Those are nice features, but I really like this one is to build the repair list. So we have been watching a lot of realtors, and I have noticed that the realtors, they send their own email to the listing agent because their negotiation is their business. I provide the report and they choose. Say, I'm going to negotiate the AC. I'm going to negotiate this. Oh, let me show you how that works. See how to build your repair list. So there is a quick instruction here. So let me create the repair list. I'm going to start with the most expensive item. That's the roof. And you see here on the top, there is a plus sign, repair list. So I'm going to add this to my requests, repair list. And here there is a note and there is a price. So you can put a note, need a new roof, insurance might not get approved, whatever you want to type. And there is a price. I suggested $10,000. So you can, I'm going to ask for 1,500, 15. I think 12 is too little. Whatever you want to do. So I'm going to just add one more item. Here, the ceiling of those doors. I'm going to click repair list. And I'm going to ask for 3,000. It's your negotiation. I'm not going to get in the middle of your negotiation. So now, this is that. I added two items. I'm going to ask for the seller credit and see what they're going to say. Maybe on the AC. Let me see if there's anything on the AC. I'm going to ask them to clean the coils as well. So I'm going to just add this one. Need coil cleaning. And I'm going to change to 600 because prices went up. Whatever you want to do, it's your list. And then you can come here, see repair list on the left side, see repair list. And that's, you have a repair list that has 3 items that are selected with your prices. You can still change here on the repair list. And you can download this file, the repair list. You see the repair list doesn't show much. Doesn't show HouseMaster, doesn't show inspection report, doesn't show anything. Repair list. There is the address and there is the list. It's very simple. It's not an inspection report. It's your list that you're going to request for credits instead of you writing your own email and trying to copy and paste parts of our report as we see all the time. We give you some tools so you can do this quicker. So that's the whole idea of the dynamic report. You can quickly, let me go back here to the beginning. You can quickly see what is broken. You can see what is most expensive. You can navigate through the summary and you can create your own repair list. So that hopefully is going to save you time, give you more speed to analyze the report, and give you some more control on what you want to do.